Ever try to use overlay, screen, color dodge in Photoshop and they are grayed out just like this? Don't worry, it's not a bug and neither it's your computer. It's just one hidden settings in Photoshop and I'll show you how to fix it in less than 2 minutes. I ain't kidding, less than 2 minutes. So here I am trying to apply a blend mode to my text in Photoshop, but it won't let me. So it's not just this particular layer, it's literally all my blend modes that have been disabled in Photoshop. So let's find out why. The problem is hidden in your document color modes. Photoshop disables a lot of blend modes when you're working in things like bitmaps, index color, or sometimes even 32 bits. That's why these options aren't really available. But guess what? The fix is super simple. To simply fix this, all you have to do is go to the top menu, go to image, and then scroll down to mode. And then make sure your document color mode is set to RGB color. Sometimes it may not be a determinant to why the blend modes are not visible. And very importantly, you have to make sure that you're selecting 8-bit channel. Now, that is very important for your blend modes to all appear. So now let's go ahead and check if we've actually fixed that. Now I'll select my layer, click on the blend modes, and voila, I have them fixed. So I'm going to be selecting screen for this particular layer. So before you quickly bank out of this video, next time when your blend modes are grayed out in Photoshop, all you have to do is make sure you're working with 8-bit and not 16 or 32-bit because you have to avoid them like a plague. So if this video saved you time, hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on the notifications for more Photoshop videos.